Hello friends, welcome back again. In this module we will just understand what is the UGC care list and how we just publish our paper. Okay, so this video is especially for the research scholars, those who just want to publish our paper in authentic journal. As we all know, many clone journal are available on the site. So we will move on site of UGC care list. So first of all, we just write it here only, UGC care list. This interface will come on your screen and we just click on second link. Whenever we just click on second link, this website will open. And now you can just see it here only, UGC approved list of journal. So we just click on that particular link. This interface will come on your screen. You can just see it here only. This is specially related to, you can see it here only, alert. Alert means these are the fraud journals, these are the fake journals, those who are just promised us we just publish your paper within a 1 week in UGC care list. It means these are the fraud journal. Got it? So if we just want this list, we have to click on the list. Yes, so this is the list talking about fake journals. So I'm just going to show you the list, just a moment. Yes, so if you want to see it, for example, some publishers are saying we will publish your paper in UGC care list. Yes, but you are not aware about that. You can just see it here only. For example, the name is, real journal is ABRU, AABRU. If you want to your paper for the publication, so they are just talking about this journal, and this is the fake journal. Yes, so this is the difference between two of them. This is the real journal and this is the fake journal. This is the clone journal. If you want to see it here only, this is going to publish only the Punjabi language, but they are just publishing in the Punjabi and English and the another language. Okay, so whenever you are just going to publish your paper, first of all check your website, check your publisher name, check your complete detail on UGC website. So and now just move on the other journal. So like this is the list, you can just check it. This is the lengthy list, so I can't explain it here only. Yes, these are the some list. Like if you want to see it here only, minor difference is there only, minor difference. You can just see it here only, Itihas Drashti. So they just name the only Itihas Drashti journal, and URL nothing is given, but in the clone journal it is given the particular website. And apart from this, if you want to see it here only, ISBN number will be same, so ISN number will be same. Got it? So please check it minutely so your research paper will not waste. Got it? Now just move on the another journal. So these are the some journal, and if we are just talking about the, this is the Kala Sarovar. Kala Sarovar, we all knows about the Kala Sarovar journal. Many editors, they are just saying we just publish your paper in a UGC care list. So this is the sorry, this is the real journal and this is the fake journal. And how you just got it? This is written in small letter and this is written in capital letter. And apart from this, URL it is not given in the original journal, but URL it is given in fake journal. If you want to a more detail, please write in comment box. I will give the detail how you can check it whether it is authentic or whether it is clone journal. Now just move on another famous journal. They are just giving the promise we will just publish your paper in authentic or the UGC care list journal. This is also be another famous journal, Kala, the Journal of the Indian Art History Congress. So how you can just check it? If we will talk about the fake journal is written print journal only, and apart from this, ISN number will be same, language will be same, but publisher name will be different. Got it? So if they are just publishing your paper in this particular publication, it means this is the fake journal. Please, whenever you are just publishing your paper, please check it minutely, otherwise your paper will not count on a PhD or the other things. Sorry. So these are the some points about it. If I will explain one by one, this will be the lengthy video. So I'm just scroll down. This is the list. If you want to a list, please write in comment box. So I just forward this list to you. Now just move on the. I'm just going to back. Yes. So I'm just going to back here only. If we will just talk about the, this is the group 2 link. So you can check one by one. I have already shown you the group 1 clone general. Clone general means fake general. You can just see it here only. I'm just showing you with, yes, general in group 2 included in UGC care list, and these are the fake general. Fake general means cloned general. So please, those who are just promising to you if we will publish your paper within a 1 week in a UGC care list, so this will be fake general. So these are the some generals. You can just check it here only. This is the list. Everybody can check it in the UGC care list. If you want this list, I'll just give it to you. Now just move on the, these are the some famous general. You can just check it. Okay, now just move on UGC care list. How to download the UGC care list. So if I want to publish my paper in the particular publication, so how I can check it? First of all, ISN number is also be the same, so I can not check it. First of all, I can check it through the title. For example, I'm just searching here only Kala Sarovar. Okay, I just click on that particular link, and this you will get it, this particular Kala Sarovar general, like that only. Yes, so this is the real general, and you can just see it here only. Yes, ISN number and action. Action means whether it is active or whether it is inactive in UGC list. So you can just click on this particular and you just get this interface. This is the real interface of this general. Yes, this is ISN multidisciplinary, and this is. You can just check it. Got it? If you want to more detail, you just click on that particular link. So site will open. This is the exact site of that particular general. Now we just move on. So another thing is there. So if you want to a list of this particular general, you have to give the login ID. So if you will log in with the ID password, then you just get the complete UGC care list. This is the list. The UGC care list has only the 2 groups. So first of all, if I want to this list, I just click on this list. Sorry. If you will publish your paper and in any clone general, your paper will not count. It is clearly written here only, UGC Cell of General Analysis, Center of Publication, Ethics of. You just read it in detail. In next video, I will tell you about how we can just download this list, and apart from this, how we can just check it whether it is this general is related to Scopus or the other any wave science. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.